Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix EA app temporarily lost connection. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on EA, click the create account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, if you encounter the EA app temporarily lost connection error, you can follow this detailed troubleshooting steps. Alright, so number one is make sure that you have a strong and stable internet connection. Now, try loading other websites or streaming services to verify your connection. Now, if your connection is unstable, you need to restart your router and modem, and you might want to go to any website that could check your internet speed and connectivity. All right, so if there's a lot, that means if you have a stable internet and you still can't connect or getting that error, you might want to go here instead. Ensure that your antivirus software is not blocking the EA app. Now, in my case, I'm using Malwarebytes, and if you do, or any antivirus software, add the EA app to the list of allowed applications in your antivirus settings. Now, alternatively, you can do the same thing with your firewall setting as well. And again, ensure that your firewall setting is not blocking the EA app, and add the EA app to the list of allowed apps in your firewall settings. All right. Now, the next option that you can do is you might need to disable the VPN or proxy that you're using. For example, I'm using Hawks right now, so disable that for a while to see if it resolves the connection issue. After that, if it still doesn't work, you might want to go here instead. You might want to change the DNS settings. Now, if you use a different DNS server such as Google's DNS, I need you to go to the control panel and click on Network and Sharing Center. All right, and look for the change adapter settings right here. Click on that. And from here, select Internet Protocol version and click Properties and use the following DNS server address for Google's DNS. All right, click OK and try to restart your computer to see if that works. Now, if that doesn't work, you might want to uninstall the EA app and then reinstall it. This can fix corrupted files or settings that might be causing the issue. And again, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be a more complex problem that requires assistance from the EA support team. All they're gonna do is, this is the EA official help center, and from here you can check the problems that you think is causing the issue, and of course, the troubleshooting support team will be more than glad to give you guys on how to fix the EA temporary lost connection. Probably one of the support staff will be more than glad to give you an update or guidelines on how to fix the issue. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.